Ever found yourself scrolling through endless crypto apps, wondering which one is actually trustworthy? You're not alone. The digital finance world can feel like a wild west, and today, we're putting one of the popular players under the microscope, Uphold. Is Uphold legit? That's the burning question we're tackling. Uphold has been around for a while now, making waves with its promise of easy access to a wide range of assets, from cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies and even precious metals. On the surface, it sounds fantastic, a one-stop shop for all your trading needs. But in the world of online finance, longevity and variety don't automatically equal legitimacy. We need to dig deeper. So, what makes a platform legit? For most of us, it boils down to a few key things: security, regulation, transparency, and user experience. Let's break down how Uphold stacks up in each of these areas. When it comes to security, Uphold employs various measures to protect your funds and data. They utilize encryption, two-factor authentication, and regularly audit their systems. This is standard practice for reputable financial platforms, and it's reassuring to see Uphold taking these precautions seriously. However, it's crucial to remember that no platform is entirely immune to security breaches, so practicing good personal security habits remains paramount. Regulation is another critical aspect. Uphold operates globally and is subject to different regulatory requirements depending on the jurisdiction. They are registered with financial authorities in the regions they serve, which provides a level of oversight and accountability. It's always a good idea to check the specific regulations applicable to your location to understand the protections in place. Transparency is where things can get a little more nuanced. Uphold provides information about its fees and trading rules, but some users have pointed out that the fee structure can be somewhat complex and not always immediately clear. It's essential to thoroughly understand the fees associated with different transactions before you start trading. Reading the terms of service and fee schedule carefully is a must. Now, let's talk about user experience. Uphold boasts a user-friendly interface, making it relatively easy for beginners to navigate the platform and start trading. The wide selection of assets is definitely a plus for those looking to diversify their portfolio. However, like any platform, Uphold has its share of user reviews, both positive and negative. Some users praise its accessibility and range of options, while others have raised concerns about customer support responsiveness or specific transaction experiences. It's always wise to consider a range of opinions when forming your own. So, after looking at security, regulation, transparency, and user experience, where do we land on the "Is Uphold legit?" question? Based on our research, Uphold appears to be a legitimate platform with established security measures and regulatory compliance. They offer a wide range of assets and a user-friendly interface. However, like any financial platform, it's not without its potential drawbacks. The fee structure can be complex, and user experiences can vary. It's crucial for each individual to do their own thorough research, understand the risks involved in trading, and decide if Uphold aligns with their specific needs and comfort levels. Don't just take our word for it. Explore their platform, read user reviews from various sources, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.